go. So there are various tyres on this grid. It's not a great start from the pole sitter, and the 73 moves to the fore of Rylan HILJ. So HILJ to the front, and I think Jack Hobson may have driven, Kenzo Craigie may have driven right round the pole sitter as well. So a bit of work for Stephen Duncan to do now, because he's lost the lead right at the start there. But Rylan HILJ it is who's moved up, who's got KART off there, the number 19 and the 64, discovering quite how little grip there is out on the grass when it's been raining earlier in the day. The 19 is Callum Gosh, the 64 is Reg Hayward. As the leaders come through then, this is Rylan HILJ defending against Jack Hobson, it is, who's got up into second place as they come through the boot. The 89 of Gustav Yuzakovs, almost wet with the tyres, up into third place. Across the line they come. Rylan HILJ in first, Jack Hobson in second, Gustav Yuzakovs in third, then it's Kenzo Craigie, Macie Hitter, Zac Drummond, Stephen Duncan, Oscar TEUTEN, Ethan Simmons and Mitchell Gibbons round out your top 10. Top 3 breaking away here somewhat though. Rylan HILJ in the 73. That's the 53 and the 91. It's Kenzo Craigie and Macie Hitter going side by side for Ashby in the battle over fourth place. Actually, I've got to try to push him. Well, he can find him down. Breakaway group of 3. Still breaking away. Rylan HILJ in the lead. Jack Hobson in second. Gustav Yuzakovs in third. Macie Hitter won that battle in the end with Kenzo Craigie. In fact, Zac Drummond, Stephen Duncan and Oscar TEUTEN all got by Kenzo Craigie. It's the old adage. If you get put offline as a result of the battle, you won't lose one place, you'll lose 4 or 5. As top 3 come down into Ashby. At the moment, they're just keeping their powder dry. As Oscar TEUTEN goes down the inside of Stephen Duncan into Ashby there. All these issues number 14 with Jacob Gilman. And there's the move for second place. Gustav Yuzakovs goes down the inside of Jack Hobson into Ozier's and up into second place. Well, I confess, I don't really know much about the difference between the wets and the dries in these kind of conditions. They can actually maintain the tyre fairly well. We'll see how this pans out. And he's down the inside, he's into the lead. So I was just checking who's maybe having some problems down the back, and Yuzakovs has gone to the lead, but fighting back is Rylan HILJ side by side through Ashby. They're going to be side by side on the exit as well, and HILJ has got the job done, so has got it back. But Yuzakovs got himself up into the lead of the race. He's going to go down Ozier's again. He likes that spot for the overtake, does Gustav Yuzakovs, and he's up into the lead once again. But he goes to the outside slightly. I thought that was going to allow HILJ an opportunity, but it didn't. HILJ there is now under pressure from Jack Hobson. Jack Hobson's going to go down the inside of paddock, and he's got himself into second place. Gustav Yuzakovs leads, Jack Hobson in second, Rylan HILJ in third, Macie Hitter fourth, Oscar TEUTEN in fifth, Zac Drummond got past Stephen Duncan on that lap as well, and Ethan Simmons set the fastest lap on the race in his pursuit of there. We're looking at the top. No, we are looking at the leaders because Macie Hitter has really been on the pace and has caught up to them here. So it's now a 4-horse battle at the front of this one. Further back, looks like Valentaro Sakai back on the way with Blake TICEHURST or Leanne Calichurn. All the battles going on. This Hitter has caught him off the back of Rylan HILJ there, the 53 driver, doing really well to catch up to this. And you know what? Oscar TEUTEN's coming onto the scene as well. Trust the Honda Cadets and trust as well. A crazy move like that from from Jack Hobson, excuse me. Down the inside of Gustav Yuzakovs into turn 1. And look at this now, the 73 of ECHBERG is down the inside of Usakovs as well. Usakovs has tried to fend off the 53 of Hitter, but Oscar Teuten's reading this brilliantly. He's going to look to take both of them, but he's going to actually get boxed in going into Ashby Corner. Jack Hobson leads now from Rylan ECHBERG. Gustav Usakovs somehow holds off Macie Hitter. Macie Hitter gets taken by Oscar Teuten into Wilkins now. And look out as well for Zac Drummond now on the scene. Everyone's arrived, it's just everybody now. This is typical Honda Cadets. Everyone is in with a shout here. There's Oscar Teuten. Now, I think in fourth, I'm going to have to count them as they come round. Mitchell Gibbons as well is battling away there. So, what's the order now? Jack Hobson leads, Rylan ECHBERG second, Usakovs in third, then it's Teuten, Drummond, Simmons, Gibbons, Hitter and Duncan, your top 9. And don't worry, Jaydan GREGG is catching up with them as well. Oh, and so is Morgan Hill. He's just set the fastest lap of the race. It's fantastic stuff. I have no idea who's going to win it. 2 minutes plus a lap to go. Jack Hobson leads them into Appy. There is the 34, which will go to the inside. That's Jaydan GREGG. Trying to get some ground on Stephen Duncan, I reckon. Rylan ECHBERG is right on the tail of Jack Hobson here. Opportunity this time around as they go through the boot. Did get a warning a lap or so ago. Still this one. Without a difference. Oscar Teuten sets a fastest. Everyone sets a fastest lap. We're all getting a multiple slipstream of their fellow competitors. As Rylan ECHBERG is riding the slipstream of Jack Hobson, but thinks better of making a move this time around into Christmas Corner. Gustav Usakovs still staying with them. Oscar Teuten coming up on the back of Usakovs. Behind them is Ethan Simmons, Zac Drummond, Mitchell Gibbons, Macie Hitter. Jaydan GREGG has now joined in to this one. Stephen Duncan. Everybody down to 18th place is separated by less than a second. And most of those gaps are less than half a second. Only one gap at 0.8. 12 to 30 is bigger than a half-second gap. Will that do? Because we have 35 seconds left on the clock. Mitchell Gibbons has got past Zac Drummond on that last lap. Has now got himself up into 6th place and is chasing Ethan Simmons. So he's slowly coming into being a factor in this one. This time on Jack Hobson. Very earnest look there, and that's Usakovs down the inside of Oziers. He's run out of patience for ECHBERG to make the move. Usakovs has gone for it, and Oscar Teuten is now having a look at ECHBERG into there, but it hasn't paid off, and that's going to allow Ethan Simmons through. It's going to allow Mitchell Gibbons through. Is it going to allow Zac Drummond through as well? It may well have done as they come onto the last lap. 2 by 2 almost. Rylan ECHBERG now leads with Gustav Usakovs second, Jack Hobson third, Mitchell Gibbons in fourth, Ethan Simmons, Oscar Teuten as they all head up the hill this time. And you know what? ECHBERG actually has a bit of a lead there. Mitchell Gibbons down the inside, and there's contact between Gibbons and Jack Hobson, I believe that was, or was it Usakovs? It was Usakovs, I think, there, who has had contact and gone round. Yes, because Hobson is still running. Someone's on the grass there, further back up at Inkermans. But somehow Rylan ECHBERG is keeping this one together. In fact, he's getting to run away with it somewhat here. There's the 23 of Ethan Simmons starting the lap in 5th, now in 2nd place. Mitchell Gibbons, I think, is in 3rd and is leading Jack Hobson down the back straight towards the boot. Oscar Teuten's in there as well. Teuten's going to try and get Hobson. They're all going to go super defensive. Mitchell Gibbons is going to hold them all off to 3rd place. Rylan ECHBERG is going to take the win in Honda Cadets. Ethan Simmons finishes 2nd. Mitchell Gibbons in 3rd. Oscar Teuten got Jack Hobson at the last by 3/100ths of a second. It was side by side across the line. Macie Hitter in 6th. Jaydan GREGG in 7th. Morgan Hill finishes 8th. Zac Drummond in 9th. Stephen Duncan in 10th. 11th was Wesley SWAIN. Spencer Brown was 12th.